Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I would remind the leader of the third party that, in fact, Ontario families can expect a $10.6 billion cut in personal taxes, Mr. Speaker, much of that accruing to low-income families. I would remind the member opposite that Ontario is creating the largest sales tax credit in the country, Mr. Speaker. That will help Ontarians of modest income. We are increasing the Ontario Child Benefit, Mr. Speaker, to $1,100. Mr. Speaker, what's clear is that the member hasn't even listened to groups and individuals like Hugh McKenzie, who say this is a positive tax cut for Ontarians of modest income, Mr. Speaker. And again, I remind her, she asked me what our policy is. Our policy is to cut taxes for low-income Ontarians, which is exactly what we're doing, Mr. Speaker. In contrast, she and her party laid out a very clear policy. They said in a letter dated to Premier McGuinty, November 07, raise the provincial sales tax 1%. That would have hit low-income Ontarians. That would have hurt the poorest in our society. It shows no vision, no understanding of reality. In fact, Mr. Speaker, 93% of Ontarians will see their overall tax burden decrease because of this government. And I'd say to the leader of the third party, why is it? Why is it that your party very recently called upon us to increase the provincial sales tax, Mr. Speaker? You didn't ask us to increase the child benefit. In fact, you voted against that. You didn't ask us to cut personal taxes for the lowest bracket in Canada to give our people of modest incomes the lowest tax rates. Why did you want us to increase the provincial sales tax without any of that? That party and its leader, Mr. Speaker, don't understand the importance of cutting personal taxes at this time. They don't understand the importance of the Ontario Child Benefit. This government, this party, and our Premier certainly do, Mr. Speaker.